No, let baby girl open.
See?
You can do it, baby girl.
What? What? Look! Look! It's...
Yeah! What is it? LOL?
Help her. Hey, baby girl, wait.
Open on the table, Kelby. Open here on the table. Oh, so big. She may need help though.
I thought it was red tighten and blue tighten.
Need scissors for this.
T-Rex, you want to help baby Kelby?
Need scissors.
Scissors?
This is you. This is Daddy tighten.
Pull, Kelby.
This is Daddy.
Whoa!
This is Daddy tighten. Help! Whoa!
Oh, right here. Pull.
What?
That's so
What is
big.
that for?
More pulling.
Oh.
This is a keychain.
Yeah, it's a keychain.
Look at it.
But no.
This is like Daddy tighten. Oh, you can. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Open this first. Can you? I want you to open.
Yeah, right here, right here. Right here.
Oh.
In here, right here.
Wow!
What's that, baby girl?
What? How is that?
Wow!
What is that doing in there? What is that doing in there? What is that doing in there? That is so funny. What is that?
We'll find out.
What? What?
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
That's baby girl's toy.
Okay, open. Help baby Kelby.
Yeah.
Wow! Wow, baby Kelby. That's a lot of toys.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Can I see?
After she opens
Wow, a
it.
cell phone.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Call mama. Open it.
Wow.
I died.
Okay, what else do
He
we
can
have?
carry big stuff. He can carry big stuff.
Wow, sunglasses.
Carry big stuff. He can carry big stuff. He can carry big stuff.
Sunglasses
He
right
can,
here.
he can carry big stuff.
Wow, a sippy cup. A sippy cup.
more stuff. There's more stuff.
Ooh, there's more.
That's a lot.
Wow, what's that?
Charger.
Phone.
A phone charger. Oh, for the phone. And this one is
Necklace
a
thingy.
pacifier. Ooh, necklace.
Fire.
One more with it.
For the baby.
Oh, for the baby.
What? It's broke. It's broke. It looks like it's broken.
Oh, that's a
It
tiny
looks like
pacifier
it's
right there.
broken. It looks like it's broken.
Oh, look at the
What?
baby.
So cute.
Yes, but no one likes the baby.
What is this? What is that?
Liquid. Look at that.
All right, and then you have this.
And this is running out.
Yay!
And
Oh, you
I
got
know what
glasses.
this
Where the sunglasses, Kelby?
What?
Put the sunglasses.
Wow! Look at mommy. Let me see. Where are your glasses? Look at mommy.
Oh, I know what's inside there.
Oh
I
God.
know what's inside. I know what's inside because it's.
That's for you, Kelby. That's glasses for
I
you.
know what's inside.
What's inside there?
Yay!
Because it's
What
inside.
inside?
Yeah!
I think something
I don't know. That's for the sunglasses.
And now
It's for the sunglasses. So you can wear the sunglasses.
I know.
It's for the sunglasses so she can wear it.
treasure chest. A treasure chest. A treasure chest. A treasure chest.
You like it? It's for you. It's not for the baby.
It's a treasure.
Yeah, you connect it there so it could fit her. Okay, wear your glasses, Kelby.
I think it's for the baby.
Yes. You think it's for the baby too? You can wear it and the baby can wear it.
Can I open it? Can I open it?
Mhm.
No. It's a treasure chest. It's a treasure
Is
chest.
it?
Yeah.
Is it
Can
present?
I open it?
Wait for Cabby. Alright, Cabby, that's so cute. You like it?
What is that? I found the pacifier.
That's so cute, baby girl.
Put your baby in the bag, your kitty bag. Look, you have a kitty bag.
There's a bag right here. The bag is so heavy.
Is it? Alright.